How to start page numbering from a specific page on Microsoft Word. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be guiding you on how you can start a page number from a specific page on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you want to do is open your document and decide where you want to start your page. Usually if you have a standard document, you'd have a cover page here, table of contents, other disclaimer and acknowledgement, anything like that over here, and it will usually start from here. So let's say if I want to start my page from this heading 2, what you want to do is first select the first text on this page and keep your cursor there. As you can see, before this I have 4 more pages, so I'm going to start from this page 5. And what you want to do here is go ahead and click on layout at the top of your menu. And on your layout, you want to break this from next page. So just click on breaks and click on section breaks next page. Now this will break your page and it won't be linked. So now you have to go to insert and insert a page number. So just select your page number. I'm going to insert my page number on the bottom of my page. So I'm just going to select it on the left side of my bottom. So as you can see, page number have been inserted, but it will start from the very first page. So as you can see, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I want to start from the number 5. So what you can do here now is go ahead and on your header and footer section, you can unlink this to the previous page. By default, it will be linked. So you just want to unlink by clicking on the link to previous, and it will be unselected. So once you have done that, it will now cut off its link from all of these previous pages. And finally, what you have to do is now go to page number by selecting it on this current page and format page numbers. Now you can start at 1. So if you click on 1, as you can see, it has now started from this 5th page. The four previous pages are just like that, and now the page number has started from this 5th page. But these previous numbers, what you can do is just remove all of these, and as you can see, all of these have been removed. And if you exit from your header section to your normal settings, what you can see is the page number now have started from here, this page 5, and you can see all of these numbers right here, and it will now continue to the rest of your document. And that's how you start your page number from a specific page. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.